Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm the monitor's native 144Hz capability and the GPU supports that refresh at your resolution. Next, swap to display port or dual-link DVI. Many HDMI ports are capped. Make sure it's HDMI 2. 0 or later if you use HDMI. Once done, inspect the cable for visible damage and reseat both ends firmly. You do this now because a wrong cable or port is the most common culprit, and fixing it prevents unnecessary driver or OS troubleshooting. After hardware basics, update GPU drivers, use the manufacturer's installer and the clean install option to remove old profiles. Then open your operating system's display settings and explicitly select the native resolution and 144Hz refresh. If 144Hz is missing, open the GPU control panel for advanced display modes. Once there, create or enable a custom resolution and set 144Hz. This forces the handshake. Make sure scaling and color formats are standard, because unusual format. To finish, verify the problem by testing the monitor with a different computer and a known good DisplayPort cable. This isolates the bad component. If the monitor supports firmware updates, apply them and perform a factory reset, then reselect 144Hz in the OS. Once done, tweak color depth or disable chroma subsampling. These settings can reduce bandwidth and block 144Hz. Troubleshooting tip. If nothing works, temporarily lower resolution to see if 144Hz appears. That reveals bandwidth limits versus hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.